Today guys, I wanna show you how to adjust Discord microphone to hear you better and how to fix noises. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and welcome to our Discord. Okay guys, just move here to this gear and move here to voice and video and make sure on microphone you select the microphone that is you connected, not from your camera. Your microphone high definition like me. Windows default, choose this. For speakers do the same. After you choose your microphone like me, you will have the original microphone that is input in your PC. Choose here down for noise suppression, you will see crisp. If you have this known, everybody in voice will hear noises from your house. Just switch this to crisp and also check this echo cancellation. And that's it all guys for this video, how to choose your right microphone and how to suspend noise on Discord. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.